This is the May 2018 YumeTwins box. YumeTwins is a monthly kawaii or cute subscription box from Japan by Tokyo Treat. This subscription box includes 6 to 8 items ranging from plushies, stationery, squishies, practical home goods, and sometimes even wearables. Pricing changes depending on how many boxes you buy up front. You can do 1 month, 3, 6, or 12 months. If you want to start your own subscription, look for the referral link in the description below. I've already opened the tab here, but have not looked in. First up, the pamphlet. So the pamphlet has the date, so May 2018, the volume number, and also the theme, PomPom Sunshine for May. First thing I'm pulling out is a plush. So as you can see on the magazine, PomPom Sunshine. So we have PomPom Purin. PomPom Purin is a Sanrio character. This plushie is soft and squishy, almost like a pillow. He has his little beret up here. And very cute overall. Here's what the tag looks like. We'll put him aside for now. Item number 2, we have this little spoon. Not exactly sure what it is, besides a chick and it looks like a spoon. That's when I take out my little pamphlet. Chick kitchen spoon. Bring a bit of sunshine into your kitchen. So this spoon can stand up on its own. Well, that's useful. Pull the next item out. Looks like we have some stickers. Of yummy items. So we have a frappe and some pancakes, a fruit tart. These are very cute stickers, very sparkly. Cafe holographic stickers. Next, so this is a little taiyaki. So a taiyaki squishy keychain. For those of you who don't know, taiyaki is a Japanese sweet. Usually filled with red bean or custard, and the actual taiyaki itself is kind of like almost like a pancake or waffle batter, but not quite. So taiyaki squishy, it looks like I could have gotten one of 5 different colors, and I did get the pink taiyaki. A tablecloth or maybe a picnic blanket. Let's see. Kawaii leisure sheet. To help you enjoy the nice weather, this leisure sheet is included so you can go out and relax, go on a picnic, tanning, or however you want to enjoy your day. This sheet comes in 3 cute designs: Rilakuma, My Melody, and Sumiko Garashi. Which one did you get? So here are the different choices. And the one I got is Sumiko Garashi. So here is the mat all laid out, the Sumiko Garashi mat. Leisure sheet is what they call it. It's actually kind of cool. And this looks like the last item in here. It's a smallish tote and it has sumo wrestlers on it. Interesting. There's the inside. There's a little pocket on the inside. Fit your PomPom Print plushie. Let's read about this tote. Japanese canvas tote bag. When you go out for a stroll in the nice weather, you need a bag to carry your things. This Japanese style canvas tote bag helps with that, and it comes in traditional different designs. So here are the different designs that one could have acquired. I got the sumo one. In the YumeTwins May 2018 pamphlet, we have information about the Sanrio plushie series that started in April, an introduction, that page with all the what's inside my box with more information about the actual items, one specific item. So we have that chicken spoon. We have the photo contest, some art, the Yume prize, Pokemon goods information, and social media. That is everything for the May YumeTwins box. There were 6 items in this box. My favorite item is the PomPom Print plushie. Although not practical, I really like the idea of the plushie series. The cafe holographic stickers are awesome too. What was your favorite item? Comment to let me know. Thanks for watching. Ta-da!